Hi, this is Janet. I'm just going to quickly show you how you can upload your game and your game pieces and then use them anytime for practicing whatever material you're working on in any lesson without any kind of advanced prep. So when you have your email here, I've already downloaded and saved the game in a file. So I'm going to do this game pieces, which is a zip file, and I select the file that I want it in, and then once I do that, I need to open that file, and before I can upload them anywhere, I have to extract them because they're in a zip file. So I would go ahead and extract them. I want to get a look at what they look like. Make the icons a little bigger. Okay, so now that I've got the game and game pieces on my computer saved in a place where I'll remember them, I'm going to upload them onto a whiteboard. This one happens to be in Koala Go, but you could use any whiteboard, PowerPoint, or anywhere that you can upload and use image files. So let's go ahead. And first we want to upload our game. So I'm going to select that first. And I'm going to, I have a choice. I can add it as an image, which would make me able to resize it and move it. In this case, I also have a choice to add it as a slide, and that will embed it on the back of the whiteboard. And it can't be moved or resized, but then that's handy because it's a game board. So now I'm going to get our game pieces, and of course you can always make your own game pieces or upload something you have. But here's the file with the game pieces. I will select all of them and upload them and add them as images. So they all come on top of each other. I'm going to hold down my left front mouse click and select all of them so I can move them together, and I can resize them together. And then once I've done that, I can pull them apart and I have the game pieces. Alright, so at this point you're ready to play. So let's say I've been practicing some reading and spelling and I want to do some spelling practice with the student. I have my game up in my pieces, and what I would do is ask that student to spell a word, and they might use this typing tool. They could use the drawing tool, but I'll use the typing tool, and just using your regular procedures, they would spell the word. And once they're successful, they could roll a die. If you were in Zoom or another shared browser application, you might go to another browser window to get a dice roller. But here in Koala Go, you hit that button, and one of the things they offer is a dice roller. So I think that's great. So your student would go ahead and move 3, and they get to take an extra turn because they landed on feeling good, and then you would take a turn, and you continue to spell and play until you get your practice in. Or if you want your student to read, you can type words for them to read. Any subject, if you have math problems, questions from another subject, whatever you want to review with them, this just makes it a lot more fun. So I hope you can see how you can use these games and make your lessons even more engaging and effective.